Hello, I thought I'd better do a video on this fuchsia because it's looking absolutely amazing now. I got this as a tiny cutting, probably about 20 centimetres tall, about 3 years ago now. And it's been in a container for the first year. It was planted out last year and it had no flowers whatsoever. And then this in its third year started flowering sort of the end of winter, and it's been non-stop since, and now we're into June and it's into full flower. And it's still in a container that I overwintered it. So this is the Bolivian fuchsia, and it's got these long flowers and they are spread right across the plant, and it's really stunning. When you stand back and look at this, you can see it from a distance. When the flowers first come out, you've got these vivid red colour petals and then the long pinkish red trumpets behind. And behind the flowers we have these berries. And a lot of people don't know that fuchsias produce berries that you can eat like grapes. All fuchsias, flowers and berries are completely edible, but some don't taste very nice at all. But this one, Bolivian fuchsia, Fuchsia boliviana, has these wonderful sort of really dark purple berries. And if I just try one, really sweet. And to be honest, to me, it tastes just like fig, kiwi, maybe a hint of blueberry. And we've got hundreds of these berries forming, so these can be made into jams and jellies, or just picked straight off the plant and eaten like this. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of figs, so if you like figs, you'll like this one. And like I said, it's got that hint of honeyish sort of taste as well, so really tasty. But you can try any fuchsia berries, but this one especially I think is a really good eater. But any of them can be made into sort of jams with adding sugar and a bit of apple for the pectin as well. And this plant is not completely hard, it is Bolivian fuchsia, but you have it in this red form, there's a pinkish form and there's a white form as well. And I think it's an amazing plant, so I thought I'd share that with you. And it's a great plant. You can either grow it from cuttings, you can grow it from seed if you don't eat all the berries, and it's very easy to grow. You know, just good multi-purpose compost in a container, feed every so often with either a liquid feed or some soluble sort of pelleted feed as well, and it just grows really well. It's quite a gangly sort of plant, but it's grown to well over 2 meters tall in 3 years, and it will grow taller still. But you can cut it back, you can see further down, I've got lots of growth trying to grow, and if I cut this back at any point it would spread out and grow more branches. And I can take the nice fresh wood, fresh growth should I say, and strike them as cuttings in a glass of water into some compost, and they'll grow quite happily from cuttings. Just a great all-round plant and a very unusual fuchsia. So that's Fuchsia boliviana, the Bolivian fuchsia. Great plant, definitely worth hunting out and growing in your garden.